Welcome to the JavaScript Basics tutorial. In this video, we will help you master the fundamentals of JavaScript for beginners. So let's get started. JavaScript is a programming language that adds interactivity to web pages. It allows you to create dynamic content and enhance user experience. Whether you're a web developer or someone new to coding, understanding JavaScript is essential. Let's begin with variables. Variables are containers for storing data in JavaScript. They can hold different types of values, such as numbers, strings, or booleans. By using variables, you can retrieve, modify, and display data throughout your code. Next up, control flow. Control flow allows you to make decisions in your code. You can use if statements to perform different actions based on certain conditions. You'll learn to use comparison operators like equal to, greater than, or not equal to control the flow of your program. Now, let's talk about functions. Functions are reusable pieces of code that can perform specific tasks. They help in organizing and modularizing your code. By defining a function, you can reuse it multiple times throughout your program, saving time and effort. Lastly, we'll cover loops. Loops allow you to repeat a block of code until a certain condition is met. The most commonly used loop is the for loop. It helps you iterate over arrays and perform operations on each item. Remember, this is just a brief introduction to JavaScript basics. There's so much more to explore and learn. Practice writing code, experiment, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you truly master the fundamentals of JavaScript. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and coding tips. Happy coding!